to my YouTube channel. So this is continuing video. So guys, we are making chicken, fried chicken. So my son is helping me out. So we're using confidence.
And can you see baby Alex? He's done curling his own, and this is his novel. I have already read it.
What did you block it?
Si, dialetto con sua sorella grande.
And picky.
Okay. Thanks for the gifts. They say thank you, Auntie.
Thank you, Auntie.
And show your camera. Your camera. Okay. 5 foot, Auntie. Cheese. Okay, we love our gift. Thank you. We just saw your video. Just watch your video now, and you decided to make video for it.
Bye, guarda.
Cosa c'è dentro?
Vedi.
Okay, another one. Leave that one. Your crayon and that okay, and that's a ball. This thing that you blow. The one, okay. This one, mommy use it when mommy is small. I told you guys. Yes. Say bye. Say bye.
Bye.
Thank you, Auntie.
Thank you, Auntie.
Happy Sunday, guys. So, we're cooking stew of apple. Sunday food. Hello, people. Welcome to my YouTube channel. Lucy Baby, Mommy Vlogger, babes. In Italy. Happy Sunday once again. We are just coming back from church. So, so guys, I already cooked. I cook white rice with stew of apple, with beans. But beans is only mommy and daddy will eat beans. They eat beans. Come on, beans, the mama. So let's share food. Well, I have my white rice. Daddy have already eaten. So let's share food for my children. Baby Alice, come and greet. Say happy Sunday. Hello. Happy Sunday. What do you go for the video? Send kiss. Send kiss. Mandam bash. So this is my own portion. I'm going to put so this is for my children. Baby, let's see that you eat with me, but he's not going to eat the beans. So that is it. Thanks for watching.
Yeah, I'm more than that. Anyway, so guys, we're going to more than already. Yeah, going tomorrow is Edna's birthday, so she wanna come do shopping for her birthday gifts. Yeah, saludo. Big girl, Adania. So guys, vediamo tempo qua. McDonald's. See, Mama, show your hair. Natural hair. Yeah. Mokusa. She just washed her hair. So, we're in McDonald's. So come and join us. So yummy. What is this? Okay, this polo. Okay, also bought a polo chicken polo for baby Alex. It's the birthday girl. So guys, you're just coming back from dinner. So let me take my evening coffee before I will start making our dinner. Whether it's too cold. And this thing is hot. It's hot. So, Daddy bought turkey wings, Sakino wings. Come. It's still block. Oh, mommy. I want to put it in the freezer. It's crunchy and yummy. Meat pie. See how you do. It's for sale. When you go on, girl. 2 euro. But me, I'm selling it for 1 euro. You know, this is business. I don't play with my business. Period. Hello, people. Welcome to my YouTube channel. So this is continuing video. So guys, we are making fried chicken. So my son is helping me out. So we have my nutmeg, ginger, pepper, black pepper, white pepper. So I will add my sauce. So I will put it in the fridge. Then I have to break my egg. My flour. Then I will mix together. I'm supposed to break the egg. So over here I have my Over here I have my pane grattata. So
much bread, kick is in English. Bread, apple. Grind bread. And the machine. Let's see. I'm supposed to do it in the morning when I wake up, but so that is it. We're using confidence. Confidence here. On my walk, it's better I mix it together. So guys, over here I have my jollof rice. This is for jollof rice. They have to cover anything. So I can transfer it here because of the space. So when one is ready, so guys, our food is ready. So we are sharing this for baby Alex.
Okay.
Ah.
Okay. For chili. Not chili, not much. So that is it. Thanks for watching till now, and see you in my next video. Bye. Ciao.